We're in the bathroom today because I want to show you guys how to use a bidet, or how I personally use my bidet. So ignore my dirty toilet, but that right there is a bidet. It basically cleans your butthole every single time you shart by spraying water into it, and you control it with like a remote next to the toilet. So actually in Japan, they have bidets with like every single toilet. We are so behind. So I personally use the bidet like a little bit differently compared to other people. The first thing I do is I shart, obviously. I did take a poop like an hour ago, but I just had breakfast with coffee and that makes me super like sharty. So I'm gonna shart right now into the toilet. Okay, that was relieving. I am going to continue sharting off camera and then get back to you when I actually use the bidet. Before I start to use my bidet, I want to let you know that sometimes the water is super hot, or like the water pressure is super strong if you're like in public or like at a friend's place and you're using their bidet. So you definitely want to make sure that you adjust the heat and the pressure, and also be prepared. Like make sure that your butt isn't just like lounging around and then you get shot by like this super hot, crazy spray jet of water and then you're like caught off guard. Like just make sure the settings are like what you're comfortable with, and make sure that your butt is like somewhat prepared and that your hole is like spread wide open, because if your hole isn't spread wide open and the water just hits your cheeks, that's a waste of a spray. Like you're trying to clean the hole as much as possible. I am already comfortable with my settings, obviously, because this is literally at my house. So I can just easily press this button that sprays the jet and I'll be fine. But if you're like new to the bidet, I think you would need to like move your hole around to make sure that it's hitting like the right spot. You can adjust the angles here and stuff like that. As you can hear, the bidet is officially running and there's a jet of lukewarm water hitting my hole right now. I personally like to move my hole around so that like the jet of water can hit different like corners of my butthole, and so it's like fully clean. And what I do that's a little bit different from like other people is actually after this jet is done, like after this specific spray is done like spraying, I like to press the bidet again like 4 to 5 more times to get like a more clean hole. Because if I just wipe my hole to like dry it after one round, it'll be dirty. Like let me show you. It won't be like pebbles of like poop. It'll just be like a streak of brown liquid, which I don't like. I like to be like as clean as possible before I like wipe my hole dry. So I'm going to wipe now after just one round of bideting, to show you that it's probably not super clean, okay? See? It's not like chunks of poop that you would see if you're just like wiping, but it's still enough for me to like want to use the bidet again and again and again until I'm like fully clean. Okay, so this is my 4th round of bideting. I'm going to wipe very shortly to show you that I'm like basically fully clean. I can feel it. And I only use toilet paper to dry my hole because I can't stand when people just like use TP and it's not wet or like moist, because that's like not how you clean your butt, you know? I don't believe in that. And like whenever I have to use just TP, I literally have to spit on the TP or like use hello water just to like make it somewhat moist, and it takes me forever to clean. So it takes me like literally I can go like a quarter of a roll of TP just to like clean my hole without a bidet. So I'm gonna wipe now to show you that it's probably going to be clean, okay? Okay, see? The purpose of wiping if you have a bidet should be to just dry. Because look, no brown, everything looks super clean. And if it's like a little bit dirty, that's fine. Just wipe and then you're done. You're gonna be like way cleaner than if you just used TP and no bidet after you shart. So, and now I'm done. I'm fully clean. Perfect. So that is how you use a bidet. slash how I personally use my bidet. I literally go above and beyond. I go like at least 4 times every single time. And I cry a bit when I can't use a bidet in public or like at a friend's place. I always bring like poop wipes with me because I just can't stand like the fact of like having to spit on TP or like having to like always use the faucet, coming back and forth, and it's just the worst. So definitely consider getting a bidet if you don't have one. Like I said, I will leave an Amazon link down below for like their most popular bidet. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more and like this video. I do have my Cameo, book me for a personalized video, douche kits, fully discreet, my bottoming course full of new visual guides at the links below, so check those out. And leave a comment down below suggesting what you'd like to see next. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Talk to you soon.